Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can enhance your home security and give you peace of mind, the Tapo T110 mini door sensor. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Tapo T110? It's a compact and efficient contact sensor designed to monitor the status of doors, windows, and even cabinets. When properly set up with the Tapo Hub, this mini door sensor allows you to keep an eye on your home in real time, ensuring that you're always informed about any unexpected entries. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that set the Tapo T110 apart. First and foremost, this sensor requires the Tapo Hub H100 to function. The hub communicates with the T110 using a sub-1G low-power wireless protocol that not only extends the battery life of the sensor but also improves coverage compared to conventional Wi-Fi. This means you can place the sensor farther away from the hub without worrying about connectivity issues. The Tapo Hub can connect up to 64 sensors at once, making it ideal for larger homes or offices. The Tapo T110 also boasts a remarkable battery life. Assuming it's triggered less than 30 times a day, the device can last for up to 2 years on a single CR2032 battery, which is conveniently included in the package. That's a long time without needing to worry about frequent battery replacements. But what can you monitor with the T110? While it's primarily designed for doors and windows, its versatility goes beyond just those applications. You can use it to monitor cabinets, fridges, mailboxes, or any other items that might open or close. This adaptability makes it a useful addition to any smart home setup. One of the standout features of the Tapo T110 is its real-time notification system. If a door or window is opened unexpectedly, you'll receive instant alerts on your smartphone. This can be incredibly helpful in keeping track of your children or pets or simply ensuring your home remains secure when you're away. Additionally, you can program the hub to activate a siren in the event of a security breach, adding another layer of deterrence against intruders. The Tapo T110 also opens up new possibilities for smart home automation through its Smart Action feature. You can set the sensor as a trigger for various automated actions. For instance, if a door opens, you can have the lights turn on automatically or even disable your Tapo security camera. This kind of integration allows for a seamless smart home experience. Now, who is the Tapo T110 suitable for? If you're a homeowner looking to enhance your security without breaking the bank, this product is an excellent choice. It's also perfect for parents who want to monitor children's activities, or for anyone who has valuable items in cabinets or storage areas that they want to keep secure. Additionally, it can be a great fit for renters who may not want to install a full-fledged security system but still want an added layer of protection. In terms of practical use cases, think about placing the Tapo T110 on your front door to receive alerts when someone arrives. You could also use it on a window that's frequently opened, ensuring you're notified if it's been left ajar. Even in a workplace setting, this sensor can help keep track of sensitive areas or inventory. Installation is a breeze as well. The Tapo T110 comes with 3M adhesive, allowing you to mount it easily on nearly any surface without the need for tools or drilling. In conclusion, the Tapo T110 mini door sensor is a fantastic addition to any smart home setup, combining ease of use with powerful features for real-time monitoring and automation. Thanks for watching. If this video